Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will start our supplementary book, An Alien Hand. As you know, alien is someone who belongs to some other planet or to some remote area. An alien hand. A hand which is aliens. And the very first lesson of this book is The Tiny Teacher. Dear students, before starting this lesson, I would like to tell this lesson will teach us many things. We will learn great lesson from the tiny teacher. As you know, tiny means small in size. In this lesson, we will discuss about ants and how much disciplined life the ants live. It is very fantastic. Let's start reading. The tiny teacher. Though so very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent. They are very much intelligent. Unbelievably intelligent means they are as intelligent as we cannot believe. As much intelligent they are, and very hardworking. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. There are different types of ants, and the commonest type is black ant or red ant. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. The name of the homes where the ants live is ant hills. Let's start the lesson. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. The insect which is smallest in size and wisest in wisdom. Wise and small, these are two adjectives, and the superlative degree of these adjectives have been used. Small, smaller, smallest; wise, wiser, wisest. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest one. Is it the fly? No, it isn't. Is it the mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. No, none of these. None means no one. No plus one is equal to none. None of these. Neither fly nor mosquito nor the worm. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, and but the wisest insect. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. When you will listen to the story of ant's life, you will not be able to believe it. That much great story it is. Almost untrue. But people have kept ants as pets. This is very strange thing, beta. I hope this is new for you. But this is true. Some people have kept ants as pets. You have heard about dog pet or pet cats or some other animals, but it is strange that somebody is having ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. They have noticed their behavior very closely. They have examined it. So we know a number of facts about this tiny means small, hardworking, very laborious, and intelligent creature, very wise creature. An ant uses its feelers or antenna. You can see near the eyes of the ant some antenna like figure. That is the organ of the ant, which is known as feelers also. To talk to other ants by passing messages through them means the ant uses its feelers or antenna to talk to other ants, and they pass messages through these antennas. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the other coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. This is the way how they greet. As you greet your friends by shaking hands, they also greet by touching the fillers. This is their way of greeting. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. There are many types of ants, different kinds are there. Commonest is black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. We have not paid much attention to them. We have seen them, it's true, but never closely watched them. Where do they live? What is their home? Where is their home? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills they live. Each has hundreds of little rooms. Dear students, here the writer has described in detail an ant hill or ant hills are having hundreds of little rooms. There are more than 100 rooms, and passages means paths, ways, or in Hindi you can call it rasta. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Some rooms are used for laying eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones. The young ones of the ants are known as grubs. Workers have their reserved quarters. Dear students, here you should notice the ants do different works, and according to their works they are named workers. Workers have their reserved quarters. They are having their reserved quarters. They are separate from these nurseries or egg rooms. They spend most of their time searching for food. The workers will search for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Whatever food they find, they collect. They keep this food in storehouses. Soldiers have separate barracks. Some ants are working as workers and some other ants are working as soldiers. They have their separate rooms, separate barracks. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. It means they are very disciplined. They do their own duties. Nobody is disturbing other. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. Dear students, from this part of the lesson, we learned many things about ants. Number one, the commonest ant, that is black or red one. Then that they are having their own ant hills, and in ant hills there are hundreds of rooms, and these rooms are used for different purposes. And then all the ants are not doing the same work. Soldiers are different, workers are different, cleaners are different, and they are doing their work in a very disciplined way. So from these ants we can learn some lessons which are very useful for our life also. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if any doubt is there, I am available in the group. You can ask me. Be happy, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.